Hello and welcome to yet another video on SDD presented by your mentor Vivek. Parts 1 and 2, we installed Spec Kit and shipped a real WorkshopHub feature. But plenty of you said it. That's a lot of ceremony. So today, meet the lighter cousin, OpenSpec, spec-driven development without the heavyweight process. Theory was Unit 46 of the Masterclass. Today we run it, hands-on. One idea drives OpenSpec. Humans and AI agree on the requirements before any code gets written. Alignment first, implementation second. The machinery is refreshingly plain. Requirements live as markdown spec files, written as scenarios. Every feature starts life as a change proposal, a document you can argue with, not a surprise pull request. And it plugs into 30 plus coding assistants, Claude Code, Copilot, Cursor, Amazon Q, Codex. And versus Spec Kit, OpenSpec is deliberately lighter, iterative with no rigid phase gates. Spec Kit marches you through structured phases. OpenSpec lets you loop. Setup is 2 commands, 1 global npm install, the Fission AI OpenSpec package. Then, inside our WorkshopHub repo, OpenSpec init. That wires up Claude Code and hands us a set of opsx commands. Init creates one OpenSpec folder with 3 rooms. Specs, your current requirements, scenario by scenario. Changes, proposals, and designs still in flight. Archive, every change you've completed. And every change is a self-contained bundle. Proposal.md, its own specs folder. Design.md, tasks.md. The full story of one feature in one folder. Now the loop, 4/ commands. First, opsx explore. Think out loud with the agent, options, trade-offs, open questions before committing to any plan. Second, opsx propose. Our feature, an equipment waitlist for WorkshopHub. When the pottery wheel is fully booked, members join a queue. OpenSpec drafts the proposal, spec updates and tasks for review, not blind execution. You read it, push back, tighten it. Once it says what you mean, opsx apply. The agent implements the tasks against that approved change. Feature done? opsx archive moves the change into the archive. Specs stay the source of truth. One more habit. OpenSpec update refreshes your agent instructions and / commands whenever the tooling evolves. So which tool wins? Fast-moving, iterative team, OpenSpec. Formal delivery that wants structured phases, Spec Kit. And the hybrid spec discipline with your own quality gates. That's exactly what we build in the SDD Masterclass. Everything today comes from the open source OpenSpec project, Fission AI on GitHub. Full credit to that team. Repo link in the description. Clone WorkshopHub, run the waitlist proposal yourself, and watch this space. OpenSpec is testing shared spec stores across repos. When it lands, we cover it right here. See you in the next one. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for patient listening, and see you in the next video. Until then, peace out.